In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Higgsfield AI for transitions. Now, the first thing you want to do here on Higgsfield, you want to go to Apps up top, and when you click on that, in here there's going to be a bunch of different apps, and one of the most popular ones here is going to be transitions. If you can't find it, you can search for it up top over here, and you'll be good to go. Now, to try it, you want to simply click on it where it says Try Now, and then here you can then make your own transitions. So this is actually super simple. As you can see here, just one I just created, so it's basically like a car going from kind of a summer vibe to into a basically like a winter season over here, and it's very cool. It has a more transition, and it was pretty nice. So to do this, all I had to do here on the left is basically have to select a start frame. So here, as you can see, you can add an image or a video as a start frame. I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to put in a start frame, which is going to be this image over here. I'm going to click on open. There we go. This is like kind of the first one over here, so you're able to see like the summer vibe. There we go. And then the end frame here is going to be kind of the winter one. Of course, I generated this using Higgsfield Popcorn. If you want to know how to do that, I have a separate tutorial on my video, so go watch that first. But of course, you can have any image where a transition would kind of, I guess, make sense. Then after you've done that, so the first frame and the last frame, and this of course can be a video or an image, you can select how long you would like it to be, so 5 seconds or 10 seconds, and then just select the transition. So here you can do like a bunch of different ones. There's a raven, morph, airbending, shadow smoke. There's a bunch of different ones, and I do believe new ones are getting added as well. So I'm just gonna use this raven one over here because it's the first one, and then you can just click on generate video here, and it's going to do just that. It's basically going to start generating. Usually this does take a few minutes, but whenever that's done, you'll be able to see directly over here, and then you can just view the history when you click over here, and you'll be able to basically see all your generations and basically everything you've done. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.